Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this is being built in Morant Bay, which is the capital of St. Thomas on the eastern part of the island. Now the government is building a super highway. It's called the Southern Coastal Highway that is being built from Harborview to Port Antonio in Portland. So it's going to go through St. Thomas. So it will pass through Morant Bay, or you'll have an exit to Morant Bay because Morant Bay is the capital and the main town in St. Thomas. So this highway has opened up so many business opportunities for St. Thomas. I mean, most persons looked at St. Thomas as the forgotten parish. Persons never really invested there. There just wasn't anything going on. But now that the highway is being built and it's actually on the way, the construction is on the way, you can actually drive on some parts of the finished sections of the highway. And the entire project is to be finished by 2025. So because it's so easy to get there now because of the highway, a lot of business opportunities are opening up. So the Morant Bay Urban Center is one facility that is being built to accommodate the increase in business that's going to happen in Morant Bay. And let's just as an example say the original project was 5,000 square feet. Because the demand is so great for the space in this urban center, a lot of businesses want to rent space, though they had to increase the size of the project just to accommodate the persons that want space in there. Alright, so let's take a look at the article and then we discuss it afterwards to do with the Morant Bay Urban Center. Preparation work on the $6 billion Morant Bay Urban Center project in St. Thomas has now commenced and is expected to advance in the coming months. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness toured the site and observed demolition exercises at the old Goodyear factory in the parish where the center is being constructed. I'm very pleased to see, finally, that work has started, Mr. Holness said. We have been very careful to put together a development project that is viable, sustainable, and meaningful, he noted. Throughout his tour, the Prime Minister was shown construction plans and designs for the project by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, major partners, and other key stakeholders. When completed, the center will accommodate the parish's municipal corporation, government entities, business process outsourcing companies, a university, and other structures. An estimated 3,000 new jobs are expected to be created from the development. Prime Minister Holness noted that the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which involves the development of the major roadway throughout the parish, will bring new flows of interest that will directly pour into the urban center. This will become the home and the center around which those interests will coalesce. The development push will be along this corridor, and I'm certain that this project will become the center of activity for the parish, the Prime Minister said. He identified the flow of traffic as an area in which attention must be placed to ensure that the much needed development will not bring any inconveniences, noting that he has had discussions with the National Works Agency in this regard. Chairman of the FCJ, Linton Shirley, in his remarks, noted that currently the over 400,000 square feet property is heavily vegetated and needs to be properly graded for construction to begin. He indicated that work is also being done to reduce the threat of flooding. By next month, you will be seeing real block and steel coming out of the ground when the preparation work is completed, Mr. Shirley said. Construction of the Morant Bay Urban Center is expected to provide employment to more than 200 workers in the first phase of the project. Some 80% of this labor force will be Jamaicans who reside in the area as required under the contract with China Harbour Engineering Company. Check. In his tour on Thursday, the Prime Minister was joined by members of Parliament for St. Thomas Eastern and St. Thomas Western, Dr. Michelle Charles and James Robertson, respectively. Mayor of Morant Bay, Councillor Michael Hugh, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator the Honourable Matthew Samuda, and other public and private sector interests. Alright guys, so that is the latest updates on the Morant Bay Urban Center. It's definitely going to be something special. And it's something that we think should happen in every parish. Every parish should have one building like this, a massive building, where you find all the government agencies having an office. For instance, NIS, NHT, all the different government agencies could be located in this facility. And if it's owned by the government, then you don't have to pay rent, or something can be worked out. But this is the way of the future. Every parish capital at least should have a building like this, some sort of structure. In the same way, every parish should have a transport center, like similar to the Halfway Tree Transport Center. A facility like that should be in every parish so that you can interconnect the parishes quite easily. And also, I know it's very expensive and plans are on the way, but the trains need to run again, and every parish should have a train station. So guys, I think this is an excellent idea, and we'll keep you updated as the project progresses. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave a comment in the section below. Have a good day.